Hi, my name is Mandar Nishikant Vedpathak and I am from India, Mumbai. Today I am here to answer the questions for my pre-scaling interview. The first question, where did I come to know about the SUE? I came to know about the Singapore Universal Education from a consultancy named Hoteliers International. Second question about my family. I lost my father in 2004. My mother is a housewife. I have an elder sister. She is married and settled in Mumbai itself, and I am the last member of the family. About my hobbies, there are many hobbies, but I'll list a few out of them. I love to sing. I love to hear to Bollywood Hindi music. Then I love to travel a lot. I love to travel to different places, know people over there. I love to explore the atmosphere and the food. I'm a very foodie person. Yeah, it doesn't look like, but yes, I am. Why I chose this department? I'm a very talkative person. I love to talk to people. I love to meet new people, know them, and if I get a chance, I love to learn many things from different people. So that is the reason I have chosen this department. And yes, of course, I love to smile. That's why. About my experience. I started from Sofitel Mumbai BKC as a guest service ambassador, where I used to take in-room dining orders, and over there I learned how to speak on a phone, the phone etiquettes, telephone etiquettes and all. My next job was at Trident Nariman Point as a front desk associate, where I used to take check-ins, check-outs, cashiering, etc. After which I worked with the Imperial Club by Taj. Over there I did a dual role as a front desk associate as well as a spa receptionist. So there I learned many things about spa as well. And then lately I worked with the Imperial Club by the Leela. So the Imperial Club was first run by Taj and then the Leela took it over. So when Leela came in, I was appointed as the spa reception executive. I used to handle the spa bookings, the sports coachings, and the duty rosters, morning meetings, daily reports, monthly reports, etc. So that was about my experience. Now about my professional goals. So professional goals, I believe that I've worked in India in 4 major brands, that is Sofitel, Trident, Taj and Leela. Now it's time to explore myself internationally. So that's the reason my goal now is to fly abroad, and that's the reason I've chose Singapore, which is a tourist based country. I would like to see myself as a general manager or a property manager in next 5 to 10 years, which would make my personal as well as professional life stable. About the working environment, I love to work in an environment which is professional and at the same time friendly. The reason behind that is when your working environment is professional as well as friendly, your punctuality and your discipline comes hand in hand. That is what I have learned through my experience. What makes the job fun and motivating? As I said, when your professional environment is friendly and professional, when you gel up well with your team, that's the point where the fun and the motivation comes in picture. So it's called teamwork. If you have some goals that you achieve and you have a colleague who is not that good, when you go ahead and help that person, there comes the motivation. You motivate that person, and of course the person feels good and you gel up well, and there is where it comes fun. So why I want to work in abroad? As I said, I've worked with 4 major brands in India and I would love to explore myself internationally. I would like to grow myself internationally. I would like to go to Singapore. I would like to learn much more things about hospitality, which I have never seen in India. So that is the reason I want to work internationally, and I want to increase my professional and my personal life as well. The last question, how soon can I join? So as soon as these interviews are done, my documentation is done, visa comes, I'll be there. So hope I'll be there soon. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much. See you in Singapore.